world filled with challenges, setbacks, and obstacles, it's time to step up and become the best version of yourself. In this video, we'll explore five crucial masculine habits that will help you conquer problems and build a more fulfilling life. This isn't just another self-help talk. It's a Stoic blueprint for a stronger, more resilient you. Let's dive in and unlock your true potential. The first step in overcoming life's challenges is mastering your mind. Too many men get overwhelmed and resort to whining or complaints. That not only weakens your masculinity, it magnifies your problems. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Without self-control, it will rule you instead of the other way around. Stoicism teaches us that your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your destiny. Through mindfulness and masculine self-discipline, you can train your mind to focus on the present and direct your energy where it matters most. Remember, if you don't rule your mind, it will rule you. Financial stability is a pillar of masculine strength. While money alone won't bring happiness, a lack of it can strip away your freedom and power. That's why learning to make money is not just about wealth. It's about responsibility and growth. Don't fall for excuses like money is the root of all evil. That mindset is just a coping mechanism for avoiding hard truths. Instead, face reality with discipline. Mastering the art of making money is essential for building a life of freedom and purpose. Money may not define you, but it empowers you to live on your own terms. Exercise isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling stronger, sharper, and more resilient. A daily workout fuels both your body and mind. When you move your body, you release endorphins, clear your thoughts, and reset your focus. Problems that once felt overwhelming often seem smaller after a workout. It doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's lifting weights, running, or even a brisk walk, consistency is what builds lasting strength. Stoicism reminds us, discipline over comfort. Exercise is discipline in action. What you eat fuels not only your body, but your mind. Junk food clouds your focus, slows your energy, and makes challenges harder to face. By embracing natural, nutrient-rich foods and practicing self-control with your cravings, you sharpen both your physical and mental edge. Even fasting, when done intentionally, can boost productivity and discipline. Remember, 80% of your diet should be clean, natural fuel. Treats can fit into the remaining 20%, but they should never control you. Nourish your body and your mind will follow. Once you've disciplined your mind, exercised your body, and nourished yourself properly, it's time to sharpen your problem solving. The secret? Focus on one problem at a time. Write down your biggest task for tomorrow before bed. If it's complex, break it into smaller, manageable steps. Progress is built daily, one solved problem at a time. Consistent, disciplined action is what creates lasting success. That's Stoicism in practice. Steady effort, not chaos. Life will always bring obstacles, but with Stoic wisdom, self-control, and masculine self-discipline, you'll not only face them, you'll conquer them. Like this video, subscribe to the Stoic Mind Fortress. Apply these 5 habits daily.